is your mission briefing. You are looking at the Atlas Box, the most powerful device on the planet. This is Lancer Blake, head of Havoc and the most dangerous man on the planet. He has the Atlas Box in his possession. A potentially destructive combination, Blake now only needs the codes to activate the device. He poses a clear and present threat to the world. We've discovered the codes case is somewhere here, in a corner of Italy, codenamed Downtown. Havoc operatives may be closing in, but Command Intelligence is not far behind, ready to get the codes case into safe hands. On the ground is your mission director, and they will need your help.
And here I am, hiding perfectly amongst you in plain sight. Look at your face, you're like, what? I am your mission director, but you may call me mission director. Now, I see you've already met our man on the street, George. On three, we're gonna say, wake up, George. 1, 2, 3, wake up, George! Good work there, George. Go get yourself a spot of tea. Now, we're always looking to recruit future operatives, so play your part and keep your eyes open for the code case.
Mission director. Incoming rogue signal detected.
Really?
Oh, hello there, Mission Director. It's been a while.
Yeah, not long enough.
Oh, I see you have company. Well, allow me to introduce myself. Lancer Blake here, head of Havoc. Oh, I just wish I could be with you, but I prefer to keep my hands clean. It's how I get to do so much dirty work.
Well, not today, Blake, because we're going to stop you.
Mission Director, that is not possible. The Atlas Box is already mine. All I need is the codes case. And both of us know that it's somewhere downtown. My top agent, Sable Nova, and our Havoc ground operatives are closing in.
All right, Iris, what is our mission status?
Satellite data confirms Havoc are in the vicinity.
Here we go! For now. Time is tight, so I'm gonna need the next set of hands on the ground for this mission. Let's see, I'll need someone who could slip by completely unnoticed. Someone willing to do whatever it... We have a volunteer! Hello there, sir, what's your name? Name's Barry. Bit late there, Barry, what's going on? Looking for your daughter? Well, Barry, we have the technology. Check the screen, point her out to us. Which one? Which one? That one? Hello? Yes, you're on the telly. There you go. No, not so fast, Barry, because guess what? I still need your help. Tell me, have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Just a little bit. Well, that's perfect! Welcome aboard, Special Agent Barry! Yes! And special agents need gear, Barry. So I suggest you put this on your hands. There's a helmet this way. Let's go have fun. So, Sable Nova and the Havoc ground operatives must not breach city limits. Are you getting this? Your mission is to contain them downtown. Get your hands on the code case. Yes. All that's left for you to do now is to choose a motorcycle. There's a wide selection there, Barry. I'm sure a top agent like you knows his ride of choice when he sees it. And while our new volunteer is getting all ready and safety for the adventure ahead, why don't we give him a big round of applause? Yes! We have given him some state-of-the-art motorcycles to choose from. One has a built-in EMP system that can disable any vehicle. The other one has a missile system that can lock on, and Havoc will not stand a chance against it. So as long as he picks the Yeah, you know what? If that makes you happy, then why not?
Mission Director, confirm command intel of eyes on Sable Nova and Havoc operatives. We are in tight pursuit. ETA downtown in moments.
10-4, Avenue support operative on the ground. His name's Barry. You will definitely know him when you see him.
Received.
All right, Barry, you're looking somewhat ready to answer the call of destiny. Let's go! Get yourself up onto higher ground and prepare a counterattack. We believe in you, Barry! Go get them, Tiger! Rawr!
Mission Director, so good for you to be seeing me. Are you ready to give up?
We're closing in, Blake, and I have any top agents in the field.
You have a fool out of his depth, surrounded by a team of incompetents. I have Sable Nova, and she has the codes case. It's over, Mission Director. I win, you have failed. You just don't know it yet. Blake, out!
You're a stupid hat.
Ground force, extraction is going to mean dealing with command intelligence downtown. Stay alert and let's get this code case out of here.
10-4.
Barry, if you're nearby, we could use a set of hands. Sable Nova's coming for the code case. Brace yourself.
Let me get the case.
Barry, get down! Out of that thing! Barry, you okay? Give me a sign. Barry? Oh, he did it! Oh no. Barry, no! Oh dear. Well, I can honestly say, I didn't expect things to go down like that. Now, Sable Nova is a tricky character, but she can and will be stopped. Barry, you're okay! We've tried it loud now. Find yourself an undercover vehicle that we've purchased. Check the screen. Find it, write it, and not a scratch, Barry. That cost us a lot of money from Timu.
Mission Director, rogue signal once again imminent.
Of course it is.
You're making such a mess of this, Mission Director. I love it. I'm having so much fun. Oh, I know. What about those little mini spies I saw you working with? They might have better luck.
Yeah, be careful what you wish for, Blake.
I only wish for world domination. And I'm so close to getting it. Blake out!
You know, I'm glad that Lance and Blake mentioned our mini spies. You might be asking yourself, I know you are, why would anyone join us here at Command Intelligence? Well, if it looks half as fun as this, who can resist? Iris, roll the clip.
In 3, 2, 1.
Want to join the winning team? Visit exotic locations, walk away from cool explosions, then join Command Intelligence today. At Command Intelligence, we work hard, but we play hard. Command Intelligence, protecting the world from the shadows.
Weren't they terrific? Nice work indeed, lad.
Command Intel to Mission Director. Confirm we've received Havoc's location and are now in chase. Headed to the heart of downtown.
Yes, good news.
Coming in hot.
Now, excellent driving, team. Havoc is getting reckless. Barry, get a better vehicle.
Enough of this cat and mouse game, Mission Director. I have the Atlas box. We have the Jones case. All we need to do is get out of here so I can get busy ruling the world.
We're not gonna let that happen, right?
We don't have a choice, Mission Director. We still have time for one more pass through this wretched little town. And I warn you, get in my way, and you and all of your friends will regret it. Believe that. Blake out.
Wow, he's starting to get increasingly unhinged. All right, Iris, what is our mission status?
Sable Nova and Havoc are headed back for a final attempt at escaping city limits. By my calculations, this will be your last chance for mission success.
You know what, Iris? Sometimes one last chance is all you need. And I'm placing my bet on Barry. Command Intel, this is Mission Director. This is the one. Get your hands on that code case once and for all, and put a stop to Havoc.
Roger that, Mission Director.
me no choice, Mission Director. Lancer Blake to Sable Nova. Release the battle ring.
As you wish.
Say, Iris, what is a battle ring?
Afraid I had no confirmation of any such asset existing until now, Mission Director.
Interesting.
No! Finally! Game over!
Visual confirmation of asset in progress, Mission Director.
Alright, be careful, it might be some kind of battle ring. Nothing really left to do now, is there, except big thank you to Barry, to Iris, and Lily Spies, and our entire cast and crew. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Warner Brothers Movie World, Hollywood on the Gold Coast. Mission